The homepage starts with story-style announcements for DTFBuild updates.
The first story presents Shopify integration. Its full message can be paused for reading. The arrows reveal WordPress support and community news. The integration banner links online-store owners to set up guides.
Highlights cover free access, automatic packing, languages, and capacity.
The language menu provides the same interface in several supported languages. Feature cards cover bulk uploads,
Automatic nesting, exports, and custom sizes.
the workflow covers
Upload, optimization, and export.
reviews, and FAQs provide guidance before the builder begins. Back at the top, Start Building opens the sheet builder. Units support centimeters and inches. Preset buttons cover common roll types and widths. Manual controls refine the printable canvas width. This example extends the canvas height to 1,000 centimeters. Spacing becomes half a centimeter, while no rotate keeps artwork upright. Draw cut lines creates a placement map for finishing. Output supports PNG or PDF. The PNG quality is set to 300 DPI. Crazy Packing searches deeper for tighter layouts and lower film use. The review and donation options support DTFBuild. The view returns to the upload area, which accepts multiple artwork files together. DTFBuild uploads and analyzes every selected design. Each card shows its dimensions, quantity, file size, and quality. The Edit control opens image preparation tools. The toolbar includes background removal, halftone, upscaling, recoloring, and trimming. Halftone converts tonal areas into printable dots, shown here in preview. Background colors help reveal transparency and light details in the preview. Different processing modes can be compared before changes are applied. The design grid returns with the processed image. Duplicate creates extra artwork copies. Size changes preserve proportions, while effective DPI updates automatically. The guide summarizes packing, uploads, outputs, and custom dimensions. The final configuration is ready for automatic nesting. DTFBuild now calculates an efficient placement for every item. Packing efficiency reaches 91.3%, rated excellent. All 48 items from 46 designs fit together. The final sheet is 8 meters long. The canvas preview shows placement, spacing, orientation, and visible artwork. The complete preview confirms every design remains within the generated sheet. Download PNG prepares the complete production file. The production PNG finishes first. The cutting map is prepared next. The browser downloads list confirms that both generated files were saved. The production PNG opens in design software. The exported sheet contains designs nested inside the printable area. At close zoom, fine outlines, halftone dots, transparency, and spacing remain visible. Detailed and colorful artwork retain the resolution needed for production. The zoomed-out view confirms the full 8-meter sheet. The second downloaded file opens as the companion cutting map. Numbered regions identify each design during cutting and sorting. Both exported files open correctly, confirming a successful generation. Contact Us provides a support form. Report an issue includes categories, details, and submission.